హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్. ఈరోజు మనము సీటెట్ 2021 ఇంగ్లీష్ లాంగ్వేజ్ 1 పేపర్ 1 ఆన్సర్స్ చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ ప్యాసేజ్ ఆన్సర్స్ చూద్దాం. చిల్డ్రన్ రెస్పాండ్ టు ద ఫస్ట్ రైన్స్ ఆఫ్ సమ్మర్ బై గివింగ్ షౌట్స్ ఆఫ్ జాయ్, ఫ్లోటింగ్ పేపర్ బోట్స్ ఇన్ వాటర్, రన్నింగ్ అండ్ ప్లేయింగ్ ఇన్ ద రెయిన్, సింగింగ్ సాంగ్స్. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి థర్డ్. The tiny spring issuing from the rock is hidden by thick moss, maiden hair fern, bushes and creepers, tall grass. Answer వచ్చేసి second one. Which of the following to become part of a river, a tiny drop has to become part of a river, a tiny drop has to have a lot of strength, depend on external forces, suffer a lot, merge its identity. Option merge its identity. Which one of the following is most similar in meaning to the word pounding as used in para 2 of the passage? Shaking, benumbing, palpitating, sinking. Answer వచ్చేసి third one. Which one of the following words is most opposite in meaning to the word descend as used in the passage? Flow, ascend, hover, zoom. Answer ascend. Which part of speech is the underlined word in the following sentence? Almost overnight new grass spring up. Preposition, pronoun, adjective, adverb. Answer adverb. Which part of the following sentence contains an error? He knew that he will go back on his promise. 1A, 2B, 3C, 4D. Answer just a second one. Which of the following statements is not true? There is renewal everywhere. New grasses spring up. This sweltering heat comes to an end. The damp earth releases a sweet fragrance. Answer వచ్చేసి the sweltering heat comes to an end. The earth does not look before the onset of the monsoon. Options cracked, brown, dusty, a tide. Answer brown. Poem questions. The tree presses its mouth against the sweet earth's flowing breast to express its gratitude to it, draw sustenance from it, draw inspiration from it, express its love for it. Answer draw sustenance from it. The tree prays to God by swinging its branches, lifting her arms, producing fruits and flowers, providing shade to travels, lifting her arms. Which of the following statements is not true in the context of the poem? The tree welcomes the snow on its bosom. The tree symbolizes strength and stability. The tree allows birds to build their nests in it. That it lives closely with rain. Second option. Name the figure of speech used in lines 3 and 4. Simile, personification, metonymy, alliteration. Answer second. Identify the name. The figure of speech used in poems are made by fools like me. Options metaphor, personification, simile, hyperbole. Answer is simile. The word mouth in line 3 refers to dash of the tree. Crown, branches, trunk, roots. Answer roots. A language teacher firstly asks students to introduce themselves to each other in the class. Then she asks them to introduce to their friends to each other. This activity will help them to increase BICS, CALP, PPPPP, ELT. Answer వచ్చేసి BICS. Literature should be included in language classroom because it helps learners to be budding writers. It gives exposure to different grammatical forms and structures. It develops moral values among the learners. It exposes them to different genres, culture and social issues. Answer to the fourth option. A teacher makes her learners respond to her actions and speech only by bodily movements. What is this known as? Total physical response, task-based language teaching, communicative approach, playway method. Answer: total physical response. In a language, class students are memorizing the dialogues through drill and practice, and the teacher is correcting their pronunciation mistakes immediately. They are practicing the dialogues in chorus. The teacher is following the direct method, natural method, audiolingual method, CLT method. Answer: audiolingual method. The oral errors of the students can be corrected if the teacher corrects an error directly after the students has made the error, points out the error in general and lets the student try to correct himself first, ignores the error as it may hamper their learning, asks other students to help him as peer tutoring is must in schools. Points out the error in general and lets the student try to correct himself first. As a pair activity, the teacher gives her learners almost the same picture and asks them to find the difference between the two students. Ask each other questions to discover how the two pictures are different. This can be a grammar activity, speaking activity, cloze based activity, crosswords activity. Answer: speaking activity. A student of class 4 is having some problem in writing. She may have dyslexia, dysgraphia, dysphasia, dyscalculia. Answer: dysgraphia. It specifies the rules which govern the arrangement of words into phrases, clauses and sentences. Discourse, semantics, syntax, cohesion. Answer: syntax. A teacher of class 6 has labeled the classroom objects as blackboard, door, window, fan, table, chair, etc. in different languages. Here the classroom as a whole is learning through grammar translation method, is creating a language confusion in students, is focusing on 3 language formula, is a rich source for promoting multilingualism. Answer: fourth option. The assessment process not only assesses students' learning but also assesses teachers' teaching process. This statement is fully wrong, fully right, partially right, baseless. Correct answer: partially right. The language which is learned from environment without any explicit teaching is first language, second language, third language, school language. Answer: first language. A teacher is facing the problem of students' poor spelling. She listed the probable causes for it and then decided to frame some steps to overcome it. The whole process is applied research. Problem solving, improving spelling, action research, applied research. Answer: applied research. Reading picture book means exposing learners to different styles of drawing to help learners to understand and analyze the pictures, to help learners to draw neat and colorful pictures. The children love pictures and it will be fun loving class. To help learners to understand and analyze the pictures. Before starting a new chapter from a textbook, a teacher should at first focus on the background setting of story, its history, etc., the work profile of the poet or writer. Before starting a new chapter from a textbook, a teacher should at first focus on the background setting of story, its history, etc., the work profile of the poet or writer, relating the story with the previous experiences of learners, the grammatical structures in the chapter and difficult words. Answer: third one, relating the story with the previous experiences of learners. Teacher asks learners to read aloud in the English class. This way of reading will enable learners to develop reading skill with understanding. Enable learners to read with correct pronunciation using the punctuation marks. Enable a learner to be a fast reader. Help the teacher to complete the syllabus within the stipulated time. Answer second one. Enable learners to read with correct pronunciation using the punctuation marks.